Look here. Right here is where it needs to go. You see what I'm doing right here to this end? Right there is where the problem is. I can't bend it back. I can't move this back over here to get it where it needs to be. It's too long. If I did bend it, it would put a bunch of stress on that right there, but it also causes this. See how this part right here bends up? It's hard to see, but it bends up. You just can't contort it in there. There's too much stress on it for one thing, and this won't let the my keyboard cover fit properly. So I'm going to take this off right here. Here's the sad part, is it really fit. It fit well right here. It fit well right here. It worked. That was what the problem was with the other one. So we got that part solved. But here, I can't get that off and do this at the same time. Here's the original, and they're both magnetic, so that's kind of a problem. But do you see the difference? You see where, yeah, right there. You see the difference? It's that much short. It's about an inch short. And this one would go in. It's the original, so see what I'm saying? The original would go in and not have to contort to get to that hole right here. So that's the difference. It's just longer. It doesn't look longer there, but when you put them on top of each other, the other one hits about right here. The other one hits about right here. So anyway, there's the difference there. And I'll upload this video so you can see it. I'll take a picture of them laying together.